The reason I got this shed is to keep my hunting stuff as scent-free as possible. I keep all my hunting clothing, my tree stands here. One of the problems I've had is my clothing had to be washed inside the house. And in the wintertime, I can't hang it out to dry. I have to use a dryer. And for scent lock, you want to use a dryer. So what I did was I decided to hand wash a lot of my stuff and even use the washer for a lot of my stuff because I do use scent-free soap year-round. But I put a dryer in the shed because it's much easier for me to keep things scent-free here. And anyway, I did it on the spur of the moment. I did it because my dryer got contaminated with some dryer sheets, so I decided I couldn't use it. No matter how many towels I ran through it, I can't get it scent-free. So anyway, hope you enjoy this little video, this short, on putting a dryer in my shed. .63 Romex type UFB. I mean, this stuff should be pretty resistant to a lot. I believe you could bury this without a conduit, although I'm going to use a conduit. Whoa. As you can see, in the wintertime, it's hard to hang your clothes outside to dry. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. It really does help me a lot. I appreciate all of you. Take care. Have a great winter season.